Alexa has an SDK, so I have it running on my phone, so I don't have a real Echo device, I'm still waiting for mine. So I'm running Alexa SDK on my phone. So I'd like to use Alexa voice service to do something like this. Tell Sphero to change the color to orange or green. So I'd like to change the color of the robot using my voice. Then Amazon Alexa SDK will contact the Alexa service running in the cloud. And then Alexa will use a skill that I have created and it's implemented by AWS Lambda. So I made a Lambda function that can listen to Alexa commands and do something. The Lambda function will contact the AWS IoT platform and change the shadow of the Edison and change the color what the robot is supposed to be. So if I say change the color to green, Alexa calls Lambda, Lambda calls IoT, changes the color of the shadow to green, message goes to Edison that uses Bluetooth to change the color of the robot. Okay, let's try that. First I will show you the shadow. So, here, in the AWS console, we go back to the Edison. You can see that currently, let's put it like this. Currently the robot is pretty orange, right? It's orange color, and you can see on the shadow there, it says color is orange. Let's change the shadow manually first. See, color orange. I manually change it to green. Green, I type it here. I press the button update shadow. And bang, robot is green. See, I changed it manually, now it's green. Let's change the color with Alexa. Let's try it. And by the way, here in the Edison you can see it change color to green. Okay? Let me try to show you the video and the Edison screen. There. Okay? Then I need Alexa. Alexa, are you there? Alexa, are you there? Alexa, are you there? Just thinking about it. Alexa?
Yes, I'm here. I listen when you press the mic button.
Okay, good. How is the weather in Manila, Philippines? Checking? Looking out the window?
Which location was that? I'm best with a specific city in Philippines.
Okay, never mind. Good enough, she's there. So see, currently it's green.
I couldn't find a forecast for that locate.
Okay. Del Sphero changed the color to orange.
I'm not sure what you meant.
Try again. Del Sphero changed color to orange.
Sorry, which device did you want?
Sphero. Okay, try again. Let me pick up my iPhone, just give me a second. Del Sphero changed color to orange. Okay, let's try now.
I couldn't find any smart devices on your network in Marco's account to use smart home features.
One more time. There's some echo here. Del Sphero changed color to orange. Okay, thinking?
I changed Sphero's color for you.
Hey. Let's try one more time. Del Sphero changed color to green.
I can't find the answer to the question I heard.
It's the sound, there's too much echo and stuff here. Anyway, sorry. We changed it to orange. So there you go. You get the idea. Let me really briefly show you. I have a Lambda function here called Sphero command. So this is serverless computing. So what happens is that I have a simple Lambda function here that listens to Amazon Alexa voice commands, and then when Alexa calls this function, it will execute and change the shadow of the Edison. You can see that we executed it once here, 10 minutes. Alright, and then finally I have the Alexa skill. Let me briefly show you that. So on the Amazon developer pages, I have a skill called Edison Sphero. The interaction model is like this. Change color. Okay, so I should be able to say change color. And if I call this skill, the Alexa skill will point to my Lambda function. And Lambda function will execute and change the color of the shadow. Let's do it one more time from the console. Update the shadow. Currently orange. Manually green. There we go. Now it's green. Alright.
Go, go, go!
Now, what does the robot say when I disconnect? It tells everybody,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. There you go. So just to recap, this is what the demo looked like. We had some issues with Amazon Alexa hearing me, but I got it working once, so I told Alexa, change the color of the Sphero. Alexa called the Lambda function used the shadow of the device. Edison sent the Bluetooth command and the color of the device changed. There you go. So, those are the 4 things we wanted to tell you. Ubiquitous use of data, build apps with services, not servers. You can be secure and move fast, and start using new technologies when you can. This all sounds great. How do we get there? How do we start using this? Actually, there's a really well mapped out path. That's why you're here, learning. This is one. And then what typically happens is that companies start moving their development and test environments to the cloud, and that's fine. They start developing new applications. With new applications, consider going serverless instead of managing servers. Move your digital websites.